This tutorial demonstrates how to format a Works Cited page for MLA. First, you will type the words Works Cited at the top and center it. Works Cited is spelled with a C, and it should say just Works Cited, not references or bibliography or something else. And you don't want to bold or italicize it. It needs to be the same font and style as the rest of your paper. So the center button is under the Home tab. And then press Enter to start adding your entries. And then if you need to, you'll press left align to make them start out at the left margin. So I've pulled a few entries from an EBSCOhost database search here at the Amber Hills Library, from the Amber Hills Library. So here are some examples of citations. And I'm going to grab another one just to demonstrate where that is on the screen if you're looking at an EBSCOhost search. So this is a search I've clicked on. This is the article title. And over to the right is the Cite button that you would look for. It's on the right on EBSCOhost, but it might be somewhere else on another database. But it'll almost always say Cite or Citation or something like that. So then we'll scroll down and find MLA. And we'll just copy and paste it. So Control C to copy. We'll go back to our paper and place it in the paper with Control V. Great, and it's unformatted right now. I'm going to show you next how to create a hanging indent to format your entries. So to do that, we will highlight the entries and go into the paragraph menu. So under indentation, special, we'll click hanging from the pull-down menu. And if you haven't already done this, you also want to click this button, do not add space between paragraphs of the same style. And if you're finished with your paper, you may want to also double space, because you should double space all MLA papers unless otherwise instructed by your instructor. And then press OK to make sure everything happens. And MLA papers are also in alphabetical order, the Works Cited. So Bray, Holder, we're going to move a few things around. Looks like Farrell will go above H, and then Mooring. And another thing I forgot to mention earlier, often when you pull things from the databases, there will be minor errors, and it's usually capitalization errors. But it's a really good idea to double check for these and other things. Occasionally you'll get a typo too. But if you see, for instance, the capital I that I just fixed, and this capital O, you don't need to capitalize prepositions in the middle of titles. Okay. And then if you haven't already done so, you'll also want to insert your last name with a page number at the top. So we'll go to Insert and find page number, click top of page, click the third one over, and enter your last name with a space, and then close the header when you're done.